6 uncommon strategies for breakout sales on Amazon, even if you're not an expert. This is a free webinar by Helium 10 that is starting in 6 hours, 32 minutes and 18 seconds. And I'm here to show you exactly what's going to be included in the webinar, what you learn in this webinar, so you can make the most out of it for your Amazon FBA business. If this is for you, then please continue watching this video. I'll show you all the details so you make the most out of it. Now, my name is Vova. I'm an active seller on Amazon. Been selling there since late 2016. On this channel, you'll find lots of tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks, everything is about Amazon FBA. Hopefully these videos will help you become a better seller on Amazon. If this talks to you, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified for videos because YouTube kind of does not notify you. And if you're coming back as a coming back subscriber, thank you a lot for watching my video. Thank you for being with me here for how long you've been here, but I've started here about a year ago and this is an awesome journey. Hopefully it has impacted you. And thank you. Please also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now let's start with the video. So 6 uncommon strategies for breakout sales on Amazon, even if you're not an expert. Let me tell you what this webinar is all about. How to access it. Now, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. Please click on the link to get here. The link is an affiliate link, means that if you ever purchase anything from Helium 10, I'll get a little commission from Helium 10. This is a way for you to support my free content. Now, once you click on the link, I want you to watch the video here by Breakout, who's also going to be your host for this webinar. Please watch it once you get here. It's pretty cool. He's also going to explain you some things about the webinar. If he's going to sell you on the webinar, so to say, it's a free webinar, but essentially sell you on the idea of attending, then click here, yes, I want to sign up. But we'll get to that in a few seconds. So here's what you learned in the webinar. Little known strategies to launch your Amazon FBA business, your Amazon business actually. Why Amazon is a big opportunity. Selling Amazon is a big opportunity to start your own physical business, selling real physical products people want and need. Like this garlic press here. Now, I don't recommend you selling garlic presses. You can try, but they're going to show you exactly what this opportunity is all about and why is it a good opportunity. Now, this is more aimed at beginners, but the next things we're going to go through are not only aimed at beginners. The next thing is product research hacks. This webinar will review methods of finding potential products to sell that no one else is teaching. And let me tell you that the webinars by Helium 10 and generally the content by Helium 10 has a lot of gold nuggets there, even for advanced sellers like you, maybe advanced seller watching this. So I do recommend you checking this as well. For beginners, obviously, this is really gold content. Next thing is how to launch a successful product. We'll show a real life example of a product we took from zero to hero in the last few months. Now, maybe you're aware of it, maybe not. Helium 10 has the Project X, which is like a case study, Amazon FBA case study that you can watch. It's from A to Z, a case study where they take a product from nothing and they launch and show you all the process. In the card up here is going to appear. You can watch this. There's a video where I present Project X by Helium 10. It's very good. It's like a free course essentially that you can take and see everything step by step. Really highly recommended. Also going to be linked in the description. So the next thing is the secrets of buyer psychology. Learn how to understand a buyer's mindset to give you a leg up on the competition. This is a huge thing, guys, because psychology in sales sells very well. If you know sales psychology, you have huge advantage over your competitors. Pretty excited for this one because I really like all these psychological tricks to get people to click, to buy. Pretty good stuff, so hopefully they're gonna deliver here. The power of keywords is the next thing. Find out how important keywords are to an Amazon listing, how you can find the best money-making keywords out there. Obviously very important because once people look for garlic press, there's also garlic press stainless steel, big garlic press stainless, stainless garlic presses, best garlic presses, etc. So they will show you the power of keywords, how to find these keywords. Also waiting for this one, how to protect your listing. The webinar will reveal how to protect and scale your business after you launch your first products. Maybe it's going to be speaking about trademarks or something that is like things that help you protect your listing. Usually that's the thing, from bad things that might happen to you, so that's really a must. Now, if you've sold on the ideas of the webinar, again, click on the link in the description, go and sign up. Click yes, I want to sign up. We're going to get to that in a few seconds, but here is Brady Sutton. That's the guy that's going to be presenting you this webinar. Brady has a deep background in entrepreneurship that spans 20 plus years. It started with $1 million aftermarket car parts business. He started at the age of 19. Today, he's an all-around expert on Amazon who really enjoys helping sellers optimize their listings and launch their products. So as you can see, the guy here is knowledgeable and serious. He previously consulted small e-commerce companies to Fortune 500 companies to optimize and launch over 400 products in the last 2 years alone. So yeah, Brady is pretty much knowledgeable. His training videos and workshops are viewed monthly by over 100,000 Amazon sellers, from complete beginners to 9-figure hard hitters and, so to say, sharks. Brody's going to be there showing you this webinar. Now, how to attend? Again, you come here, you click yes, I want to sign up. You're going to have this register your spot now. Just enter your name and email to secure your spot. Here's my name, here's my email. You click on secure the spot. and then congrats, your seat has been saved. Again, watch the next video, again a video by Bradley. Again, 6 uncommon strategies for breakout sales on Amazon, 6 hours left. If there's gonna be a replay, I will show you, I link it in the description down below as well, where you can watch the replay if you're watching this after the webinar has ended live. I do recommend you attending live because I'm not sure if there's going to be a replay. If there will be, of course, I will share it with you. Now, here are your next steps after you click on the yes. Mark the date on your calendar. It's Thursday, March 12th, 2020, 11 a.m. PST or 2 p.m. EST. Check out wherever you're from. We're all from different places in the world in such a huge war right now, but it's starting in 6 hours. I will do my best to post it everywhere quickly so you can attend it live. Click on add to calendar or add alert and messenger as well. Block out 90 minutes of your time. It's going to be a lot of content, sometimes even longer, sometimes people who present webinars or present content dive deep, they're excited, they want to share, so at least 90 minutes. Show up early to secure a spot, use a desktop or laptop computer, the one I'm using here as well, and to check out your email for a join link. It's going to be sent to your email, so if you're having any troubles or something, you're welcome to contact support at supporthelium10.com. They're going to help you, and enjoy. Once the webinar begins, enjoy the amazing insights and revelation waiting inside for your webinar. So the link is going to be in the description, the link to the webinar. Click on it, come join the webinar. Now up here is going to appear a video of another webinar by Helium 10 that there's a recording there. That's a replay. This webinar speaks about product research on Amazon, very in-depth. So if you're looking for product research specifically, please click here and enjoy the video. My name is Vova. It's been awesome to share this with you. See you in my next video. See you there.